Namaskar and welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. In this video we will see the basic utilities like the backtick. So backtick is the most useful feature in Linux. So these can be used in shell script when we want to store the output of some command into some variable. So this is where the backtick helps us a lot. So you can assign the output of a command to a variable using backtick. So this is the syntax for using the backtick. So in this syntax we are storing the date command, the output of the date command in testing. So testing is a variable that is the user defined variable. So if you want to store the output of the date command, so in this way we can store the output of the date command in Linux. So there are a few more examples. So here we can see the same example, the testing variable in which the date command is stored, and with the help of echo we can use this variable to display the value of that variable. So in this case we are using the echo command. The date and time are in double quotes and we specify the variable name. So whenever we want to display the value of the variable we use a dollar sign. So this is the reason why in the echo command we are using a dollar symbol to display the value of the variable testing. Similarly there is another command, so in which we have mentioned the we are using a variable today and we are using the date command along with its format specifiers. So the format specifiers would store only the date in the given format, so year, month and date. So this is how we can display the value of the date command using the variable today. So let's see the demonstration of this command and see how to use the backtick in Linux. Basically the backtick is the topmost key in the keyboard that you can find above the tab key on your keyboard. So on the above the tab key you can see the backtick. So backtick is not a single quote. So many people mistaken by the backtick as a single quote. So it's not a single quote, but you can see the key on the tab key, above the tab key on your keyboard. So let's jump to the demonstration and see how the backtick can be used in Linux. So now let's see how to use the backtick. So we saw in the example in the slide, so we are using a variable test and in which we are storing the date. So we are using the backtick, so that is above the tab key on your keyboard. So this is the backtick. Then close the backtick and press the enter key. So now it stores the output of the date. So whenever we are using the date command in the backtick, so the date command will get executed but the output will not be shown on the screen, that is on the display. So the output will get stored in the variable and we can use that variable further. So now we will display the value of this variable. So we'll use test echo dollar test, and this displays the output of the date command. So this is how the backtick is used. So as in the previous case, now we will see again now we will display the message with the echo command. So the date and time is, close the double quotes and dollar test. So it shows you the date and time in this format. Now we'll have one more variable. So we'll say today is equal to date using the format specifier and single quote %y, %m and %d, and close the single quote and again close the backtick. So here we are using the format specifier to display the date in year, month and day. So and now we will display along with the echo command. So today's date is $today. So So you can see the date is displayed. So 21 is the year, 07 is the month, and 21 is the day. The backtick can be used in lot of places, especially in shell scripting. So in this way, backtick can be used in lot of places, especially in shell scripting, where we want to store the output of some command and we want to use the output for some further operations in the shell script. So this is how we use the backtick command. So in the next video we will see how to use the bash calculator, that is the BC command in Linux. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel, and please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.